I want to hear that. Yeah. That's no compressor.
Mr. Newt, why are you doing football?
Yeah, it's cracked, dude. It's gone.
Even if we put a timing chain in, we'd have to run ATF in it for a week.
Yep. It will not fix this problem.
But that's cracked. That must have, something must have clashed.
Probably.
But this all the. This is gonna need no motor, dude. See that? Push all the way out. Yeah.
Shit. Oh, darn.
Dang.
You guys made me more work.
I'm sorry.
Dang.
You guys made me more work.
I'm sorry.
I want to be raw as possible.
I got you some content.
Yeah, you did. This ain't nasty, dude.
I don't want to just see if there's anything else hanging out looking.
Well, this cam must have shifted, right? What the hell is that?
Push down the chain. That's gone, dude.
How does that spin so easy?
Because something broke because it's cracked.
Right. I wonder if this is why the chain let loose, or if this one was, or if they both were.
I don't know.
This one let loose and then this one cracked because it stopped.
I don't know.
I'll just put a timing chain in it. We'll see how it goes.
I wouldn't recommend put time changer. I say new motor.
Yeah.
Man, look at this.
That's nasty. Want me to grab them?
SOS.